Hello everyone, just received my squeeze flat mop and bucket system. Now I ordered this because I currently have a steam mop. However, sometimes you just want a good smelling house from your clean floors, and a steam mop doesn't do that. So I'm going to try this out. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what comes with it, put it together, and then use it. Okay, let's just go over what it came with. This right here, the mop bucket. Now, all this fit in that bucket. So when it comes in that little box, do not think that there are pieces missing, because that's what I thought. It actually fit all in there. The stick was broken down here, and that's something you just put together. It comes with 3 pads. One's already attached, and then 2 pads that you can actually remove right here with Velcro. Just something that comes off. Now these are machine washable, so that's great. See how many uses you can get out of that. And then you're just able to replace them right back here on this mop. You just slide them on top and then Velcro it back. Let's go ahead and put this together and then put it to use. Now the mop itself, really cool. You just attach like that and it shows you this way up right here. So what you're going to do, you're going to place it in the wet side. And it goes in perfectly here. As you can see, the bar has room for the bar there to go down. And you just push it down. And then it has more water and soap on your mop. Now, if you don't like it this wet, you actually have a dry side where you can wring it out. Again, this is where your stick will go ahead and be on this side, and then you can wring it out. Now look at the way you can just turn this mop. I like how it could just move back and forth, side to side. So one really neat thing is right here, it pops up. You just and then you kind of just touch it and it just pops up. Pretty cool. Then just repeat. Okay, well I finished mopping the house, and I must say I used only the water that I originally started with, so not too bad. And I really just overall like this thing. It's just all in one here and really easy to carry with that handle. Definitely a good purchase. I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.